When you're editing videos or motion graphics, you know how much time you can waste building effects from scratch, right? I've seen people pay big bucks for Premiere or After Effects presets that looks cool in demo reels, but don't deliver in real work. Today, we're reviewing AEJuice, a suite of animation plugins, effects, transitions, and assets from AEJuice.com. And also we're here to see if it's actually worth your time and money. So what is AEJuice? So at its core, AEJuice right here is software assets for video editors and motion designers. Things like animation presets, transition packs, SFX and overlays, plugin panels that integrate with After Effects or Premiere. This isn't an energy drink or wellness stuff. It's a tool for creative workflows that can speed up your editing process and give you more visuals to work with. So as you can see here from their website, AEJuice right here sells individual packs and bigger bundles. And one big selling point is time saving, as a lot of users talk about not having to manually build every animation from scratch. And people say it makes finding and applying elements much faster. Also, reviews on third-party sites are largely positive, with a TrustPilot score around 4.5 stars and comment about helpful customer service and assets being easy to use. So let's talk about the install and first impression. So when you go ahead and install AEJuice, you're usually adding a panel into After Effects or Premiere. But in this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do it in my main video editing software. I'm currently using Capcut and I'm just doing tutorial videos. Okay, but don't worry, I'm going to make videos about After Effects, Premiere, Davinci Resolve right here, or even Sony Vegas if possible. I'm going to go ahead and make a step-by-step guide on how to install AEJuice, install plugins, and how to use it. All right, so let's go ahead and test it out with my Capcut app this time. All right, so first up, go ahead and open up your favorite browser. I thought you could just go ahead over to AEJuice.com. All right, hit on enter, wait for it to load, and then once it loads, just go ahead and sign in with your account if you do have an account. Okay. Now, when you go ahead and click on your account right here, you'll be able to see all of your orders, downloads right here. Okay, as you can see, I have the lifetime or all access for lifetime. So I can just go ahead and easily click on this drop down. I could download this one for Adobe After Effects as well as the Pack Manager plugin, Adobe Premiere Pro, other video editors, which I'm going to go ahead and use. You have images here as well, such as PNG and JPEG, and individual files. Or you can just go ahead over to the top, click on AEJuice, and then just go ahead and browse if you have the all access. Okay, let's just go and try the starter packs right here, like the free sample assets. Click on download for free and save it on your desktop, and it will download the AEJuice package manager. Okay, so just wait for the download process right here to finish. And then once that's downloaded, close this one, open up the pack manager, right click on it as it is a zip file, extract it. Okay. Here we have it. Click on the zip file, delete it if you want to. So double click on the installer or the pack manager. Click on yes, as there will be a pop-up. Click on accept and install. After that, we'll ask you if you want to open up Adobe Premiere Pro or Adobe After Effects, or just open the standalone app. Click on finish, just wait for it to load. Okay, as you can see here, it says choose the software to customize the program for you. Got here Adobe After Effects, Premiere Pro, Davinci, which I have in here. I'm going to go ahead and make videos for these applications right here for you. Don't worry about it. Just wait it out. Okay. I'm just going to use other video editor and click on continue. And then here's our first one, or you can just go ahead and click on skip onboarding. And that is basically a tutorial. Okay. So here we have the app. As you can see, the free version got these tons of sample presets. Okay, we have this one as well, the analog glitch, some flat icons, letterboxes, liquid elements. Now, you might be asking, how do we use it? First up, you will need to download the asset that you want. For example, I'm going to go ahead and find maybe these explosions right here, or liquid elements. Okay, you have the download button right here at the top of the asset. Just click on it, and it says here downloading file. Now go ahead and save it wherever you want. Now as you can see here, it's been saved under your documents, AEJuice, standalone, starter pack, and one. You can download as many as you want, But for After Effects and any other software, the process will be different, okay? So I'm just going to download this one as well. Wait for it. Maybe some transitions, okay? Like this one as well. And lastly, maybe kind of like this one, okay? So just choose whatever you want from here. And then after that, I'm just going to go ahead and minimize this one and open up my video editing software. And this time that would be Capcut. Okay. I'm just going to go ahead and copy this directory. Copy. I'm going to create a new project, just like so. Maximize, import, and then use the address bar or directory bar, Control V to paste, hit on enter, and here we have the downloaded files. Okay. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on open. There you go. So after that, I'm just going to go ahead and add in a simple video. Okay. I'm going to add in myself maybe. I think I have a video right here. Just this one. I'm going to use 9 by 16, maybe just for phone. Okay. And then to add in, for example, I would like to add in some transitions right here. To add in, you can just go ahead and drag and drop it. Okay. Move it. And here we have it. Maybe this time I'm going to go ahead and add in this one. Like so. As you can see here, it's pretty cool. There you go. It's just basically a drag and drop thing. Okay. You don't have to sweat it out by using a Capcut right here. It's pretty easy. All right. And when you go ahead and export the video, for example, let's just go ahead and clip it real quick. Add in this one right here at the very end, just like so. Make it bigger. There. Now export. I'm just going to export it as this name, 1080p, 60 FPS, just like that. Export. And here's the result. Okay. Hopefully you got the point now. And if you are a beginner, this one is a very, very good tool. Okay. And as promised, again, I'll make sure that I make a video about After Effects, Vegas, and any other video editing software. As cooler things will happen if you use Adobe After Effects right here, and the process will be easier and you can customize the effects however you want, unlike what we have on Capcut. So going back, let's talk about price or pricing. So AEJuice right here comes with a starter pack, which is totally free, which got free sample assets and also free sample sound effects. You can also buy individual packs or a larger bundle. And please go ahead and go to the description below. I have these links where you can go ahead and use and enjoy 10% off. You can go ahead and use the I Want It All bundle. Okay, this is the best selling bundle. You can go ahead and get 134 packages with a huge discount. And in this package, it includes workshops, courses, VFX, and you'll also get a bonus of 3 months of voice over AI. Now, products included in this bundle, you have here Prism, Analog Glitch, some other stuffs, and it goes a long way. All right. So just go ahead and click on buy now. You'll notice when you go ahead and use my link, there will be a 10% off. And also they will have these promos as well, like holidays and so on and so forth. Or you could just go ahead and try to use the all access yearly. Subscribers gain access to over 100,000 animated assets, including VFX, transitions, text animations, and sound effects. Monthly updates, commercial license, and 24/7 support are included as well. You will be able to access all current and future products. Okay, so again, this one as well, by using my link, you'd also get a 10% discount. Or while you're here, you can browse through AEJuice, buy what you want, and 10% off will be added automatically. So here's my honest opinion after messing around with AEJuice for a bit. I like how quick it is to add presets without hunting online. I like the UI and drag and drop accessibility. And if you're a frequent editor, some of these packs could save real time. So who is AEJuice best for? So this is best for motion designers and video editors who want fast assets. YouTubers or content creators who needs consistent presets, or anyone who wants to cut down manual animation time. And if you are a total newbie, don't worry, using it is pretty easy, just like what you have seen earlier when I set it up. Okay, that is it. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.